Every day, Sammy would spend his time playing by the sea. He loved the feeling of the warm sand between his toes and the cool water splashing against his feet. One sunny afternoon, Sammy had an idea. He wanted to build a sandcastle, the biggest and the best one ever. He gathered sand from the beach and started to build. He worked hard, patting down the sand, making walls and towers. The sun shone brightly, helping Sammy's creation take shape. He was so excited, he couldn't wait to show it to his friends. As the sun began to set, the sky turned a beautiful mix of pink, orange, and purple. Sammy decided it was time to show off his sandcastle. He invited his friends to come and see. They all gathered around, admiring the tall towers and the wide moat. They laughed and played, enjoying the evening breeze. Sammy was happy, his hard work had paid off. But as night fell, the sandcastle began to fade. The sand lost its shape, and soon there was nothing left but a pile of sand. Sammy looked at it sadly, but then he remembered something. The sandcastle was just for today. Tomorrow, he would build another one, even bigger and better. And every day after that, he would make new sandcastles, each one more special than the last. From that day on, Sammy learned that life was like a sandcastle. It was important to enjoy each moment, but also to remember that everything changes. And so, he continued to build sandcastles, cherishing each one, knowing that tomorrow was a new day for another creation.